the Merrill R-31 packing gland for the Merrill R6000 series frost-proof yard hydrants. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here, get a couple measurements. So a couple things to notice is up here on this hex side, you will have those female threads, and then coming down to this end, you'll have the male threads. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements, starting with a total length. It's going to measure right at about 1 inch, and an outer diameter at the hex side, measuring just below 1 inch, or just below 1.5 inches. Then we can get an inner diameter as well at those female threads. That'll measure right at 3/4 of an inch. And an outer diameter of this end as well, measuring right at 1 inch at those threads. Yeah, so once again, this is the Merrill R-31 packing gland.